The first structure that I will be teaching you is how to tat a chain. We'll learn how to tat the ring in the next lesson. So, to get started, take that knot, hold it between your thumb and forefinger, wrap it over your hand. I like to go under the pinky and then back around. It seems to help give a little better tension. So, but whatever works for you. Pick up the shuttle. You want to have, maybe 5 to 7 inches of open thread between the start and your shuttle. What we're going to do is first push this thread out of your way to lift it up. You can use your whole hand, you can use just one finger, a combination of fingers, whatever works for you. You've lifted up, and what we're going to be doing, going under this thread and under this thread, which we'll call this one the working thread, this one the shuttle thread. Going under both of those, back over the working thread and back under the shuttle thread. So going under both and then back over and through. And you're not done yet. This part next is very important. It's called the flip most commonly these days, but it can also be known by other terms such as transferring the loop, transferring the knot, capsizing the knot, capsizing the stitch, turning the knot, any number of terms that you might run across. It all means the same thing. It means pull your shuttle thread tight, have your working thread loose, and now you see that this is the first half of your double stitch, and it's formed with the thread that is on your left hand. It's always formed with the thread that's wrapped onto your left hand. In this case, we're working a chain of white, so the stitches should be white. The shuttle thread is the core that slides inside the stitches. Now this little trick is something that will take a little practice. It's kind of like learning to ride a bicycle. It takes a little while to learn. And once you have it learned, it's real easy. You don't have to think about it anymore. Now you might wonder, how am I getting that thread to slide under my finger like that? Well, it just does. I guess I'm kind of walking my finger over it, but really not that much. The thread just slides, and it just slides over the thumb. And then I'm bringing these fingers down. I'm closing up my hand just a little to loosen the tension on this working thread, pulling the shuttle thread tight to the right. And there it is. We're just going to practice first halves for a while.